Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ethiopian Shiro is what I would typically order whenever I visit an Ethiopian restaurant. So once I learned how easy it is to make, I decided to give it a go. It is a simple, healthy and super tasty vegan dish. The ingredients for this dish are Shiro powder, cooking oil, jalapeño, onion, tomatoes, garlic, kibbeh and salt. All the quantities are listed in the description box down below. I start by heating some cooking oil and add the onions. Please don't do what I just did here. I almost got burnt due to the moisture in the onion splashing back as it hit the hot oil. I suggest that you add the onions into the heated pan, followed by the oil once the water from the onions has dried up. Once the onions start turning golden, I add the tomatoes followed by garlic paste. I prefer the onions and tomatoes grated, however, chop them if you like them chunky. Please note that freshly crushed garlic will give you better results. I mix to combine and add 3 cups of water and bring it to a rapid boil. I reduce the heat and whisk in a cup and a half of Shiro powder. I add this in little increments until everything is well blended and no lumps remain. Take note that this is not regular chickpea powder. It is a specific Ethiopian spiced chickpea powder. It can be found at Ethiopian or Eritrean grocery stores. I let this cook on high heat for 10 minutes. I adjust salt to taste and add the kibbeh. Then I let it simmer on low for 10 minutes. The aroma at this point is so good and the Shiro has thickened to my liking. I add half a jalapeno and let it simmer for another 5 minutes before turning the heat off. To my Ethiopian and Eritrean family, please drop a heart emoji in the comments if I represented your dish well. Our Shiro is now ready. I served it with injera and it was delicious. If you'd like to follow my content, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Please support my channel by liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks for watching and bye for now.